guess you heard, I guess you know. And time might have told you, but I guess I just know. It's overly romantic, but I know that it's real. I hope you don't mind if I say what I feel.
It's like I'm in somebody else's dream. This cannot be happening to me.
But you were there, you were everything I've never seen.
'Cause you woke me up from this long and endless sleep.
I was alone, I opened my eyes and you were there. Don't be alarmed, no, don't be concerned. I don't wanna change things, living just as they were.
And nothing's really different.
It's me who feels strange. I'm always lost for words when someone mentions your name.
I know that I'll get over this for sure. I'm not the type of dreamer, could be more. That you were
there, you were everything I've never seen. 'Cause you woke me up from this long and endless sleep. I was alone, I opened my eyes and you were there. Can I take your smile with me?
Oh, the magic in your hair.
The rain has stopped, the storm has passed.
Look at all the colors now, the sunbeams at last.
I suppose that you'll believe,
But I want you to know,
part of you stays with me.
even after you go.
Like an actor playing someone else's scene.
This cannot be happening to me.
You were there,
You were everything I've
never seen. 'Cause you woke me up from this long and endless sleep. I was alone, I opened my eyes and now I'm alone. I'm not alone,
not alone.
I opened my eyes and you were there. Dear.
Thank you.